All right, so this is for those of you asking how to get the GPS, the speedometer on the GoPro app, like this one. So you're gonna go to your quick app. You're going to download the video onto your phone. I'm sure you know how to do that. If not, there's a lot of videos on how to do it. Then you're gonna go to your video. You're gonna click on the pencil for edit. Then you're gonna scroll right for stickers. And on stickers you have, sorry, let me pause. You have logo, speedometer, terrain, path, speed chart, altitude, and G-force. So when you select the one you want, and you can change the speedometer to any corner. Oops. You can change it to any corner. Hit the check mark and hit save. And then when you upload it to your phone, save to photos. I'm not going to save it, of course, because I already have. You can upload it to YouTube or Facebook or whatever you want. And that's it pretty much. And then if you were curious about this, so I have 3 different devices for GPS. I have the GNSS RC or Performance Analyzer from SkyRC and the Milan Mini GPS. This one was $30 off Amazon. And these two are accurate. These two are very precise with the GPS on the phone to 0.1. So they're very accurate. The one on the GoPro I have found is off by maybe half a mile to 1 mile an hour. It reads slower than these two, but it's still fairly accurate. Anyways, here's the TRX if you're curious. This one has a max V2 motor with a eRevo VXL 6S. So this one right now is geared, it does about 40 miles an hour on 4S. I haven't tried 6, but if you were curious about what this was, that's what that is. But anyways, hopefully this video helps you guys. So thanks for watching.